Hi my dear students, myself Kedarnath. Welcome to my channel Make Mathematics Simple. So I'm going to explain today in this session short tricks part 2 in differentiation. Okay, so look at these problems. So all these problems you can able to solve by looking at problem only you can write the answer. So what is the answer for these questions? See, they look like very big problems, but the answer is so simple because I'm using short trick. So because of that short trick, I'm going to write all answers. See here, the first question answer is dy by dx minus 1. Second question answer is dy by dx is 1. Third question answer is dy by dx is a minus y by x. And the last question answer is y by x. Y by x. See how I did within just 2 seconds all these questions because I used one shortcut. So using that shortcut I got all these answers. One trick is there. Just use that trick, then you can able to solve all these kind of problems within 2 seconds. So what is that trick? So if you observe the first question, the first question is look like what now? A function of x plus y is equal to some constant k. The given first question, this first equation is look like what? Function of x plus y is equal to k form. K is some constant. So k may be 0 or not equal to 0. K may be any real number. Okay. So if the given equation in the form of function of x plus y is equal to constant, function of x plus y is equal to constant, then the dy by dx value is minus 1. dy by dx value is minus 1. So how I got that dy by dx is minus 1? How I can remember? So not required to remember also. I will give the trick. Using that trick you can get the answer dy by dx value is minus 1. What is that trick? So if the given equation is of the form function of x plus y is equal to constant, then to get the dy by dx from that equation, okay, just you solve the equation. D by dx of x plus y is equal to 0. Just you solve the equation d by dx of x plus y is equal to 0. So if you solve that equation, what you will get? D by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of y is dy by dx. That means 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 0, or dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 1 over. That is a short trick. Okay, now if you observe the second question, then second question is look like what? It is look like function of x minus y is equal to constant. The given second equation is of the form function of x minus y is equal to constant. Then how will you get the dy by dx? What is the dy by dx value? 1. What is the dy by dx value? 1. How I got? So it's just the same trick as it is a given equation. As the given equation in the form of function of x minus y is equal to k, then to get the dy by dx, you have to solve the which equation? D by dx of x minus y is equal to 0. So solve this equation. From that equation you will get dy by dx value is what? 1. See, dy by dx of x is how much? 1 minus dy by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to 0. So from this equation what you will get dy by dx value? 1 over. So same way, so if you look at the third question, so third question how it is look like function of x into y. Function of x into y is equal to constant. So this is the previous year JEE problem only. This third problem. If 3 sin xy plus 4 cos xy is equal to 5, then what is dy by dx? This is the previous year JEE problem only. So the given equation in the form of what? A function of xy is equal to k. Then to get dy by dx, you have to solve which equation? D by dx of x into y is equal to 0. So dy by dx of x into y. So x into y means what? U into v formula. No? So dy by dx of x into y, if you apply u into v formula, then what you will get? X into derivative of y, that is y dash, or you can write dy by dx plus y into derivative of x with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. So y into 1, y, second term, is equal to 0 as it is. So from this equation, what you will get? Y dash value? Minus y by x. Or dy by dx value is how much? Minus y by x. In the same way, if you observe, last problem, fourth problem. So this is a fourth problem is look like what? Function of x by y. Function of x by y is equal to k. See, e power x by y, function of x by y. This is x by y whole power 2020, function of x by y. This is also some function of x by y. But it is also some function of x by y only, no? Because log x minus log y, further we can write what? Log x minus log y, further we can write it as what? Log of modulus of x by y. Correct? Huh? So that it means this is also what? Function of x by y. So that means the given equation is look like what? Function of x by y is equal to k. Then to get dy by dx, we have to solve which equation? Which equation, tell me? We have to solve which equation? D by dx of. We have to solve which equation? D by dx of x by y is equal to 0. D by dx of x by y is equal to 0. Applying quotient rule here. So if you apply quotient rule, what you will get? Y into derivative of x is 1 minus x into derivative of y is y dash divided by y square is equal to 0. So further, if you cross multiply y square, what you will get? Y minus x into y dash is equal to 0. So from this y dash is equal to what you will get? Y upon x. So that means if the given equation in the form of function of x by y is equal to k, then dy by dx value is what? Y by x. Suppose if you are unable to remember, you remember this trick enough. So by remembering all these tricks, only I have written those 4 question answers within 2 seconds only. So this is the very important trick, because this third problem I told you 3 sin of xy plus 4 cos of xy is equal to k. That was the old previous, that is the previous year JEE problem. Okay, previous year JEE problem. If cos inverse of x square minus y square plus divided by x square plus y square is equal to k. Here k is constant. Then what is dy by dx? So the answer is y by x. So how I got? See, just we can express this given equation in the form of function of x by y is equal to k. We can express the given equation in the form of function of x by y is equal to k. So as the given equation in this form, what is the dy by dx? Y by x over. So how we can express the given equation in the form of function of x by y is equal to constant k. See here, cos inverse of what we have? X square minus y square by x square plus y square. There was the argument. Argument is what? X square minus y square by x square plus y square. So you divide numerator and denominator by y square. Divide numerator and denominator by y square. Then if you divide with the y square, first term will be what? X square upon y square. Nothing but x by y whole square. Minus y square by y square 1. Similarly, denominator what you will get? X by y whole square plus 1 is equal to k. So then the given equation is look like what? Function of x by y is equal to constant. Hence dy by dx is equal to what? Y by x. Or to get dy by dx, we have to solve the which equation? D by dx of x by y is equal to 0. Suppose if the given equation in the form of function of y by x is equal to k, then to get a dy by dx, so we have to solve which equation? D by dx of y by x is equal to 0. On solving this equation, you will get dy by dx is equal to y by x. Okay. So look at the next set of problems. So if y is equal to square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus and so on infinite terms, then what is y dash? So this is the square root, next one cubed root, next one fourth root. So what is the dy by dx? So just by looking at this question only you can write the answer. So shall I write the answers? See here, first question answer is cos x by 2y minus 1. And second question answer is e power x by 3y square minus 1. And third question answer is 3x square by 4y cube minus 1. See how I wrote these question answers. See, just hardly I took 3 seconds to write all these questions answers. So what is the trick here? So the trick here is, okay, so I'm going to write that trick only. So here, if y in the form of, if y is equal to in the form of nth root of f of x plus nth root of f of x plus nth root of f of x plus and so on. Here f of x is some differentiable function. Okay. Then what is dy by dx, or what is y dash? So the dy by dx or y dash will be, so what is the function is involved in the root? Which function is involved inside the root? F of x function. So the derivative of that function. The derivative of that function is denoted by what? F dash of x divided by here which root it is? Nth root divided by n into y power n minus 1 minus 1. N into y power n minus 1 minus 1 separate. Minus 1 separate. Okay. So here f of x is what? Sin x. So sin x derivative? Cos x. That is the numerator. And here what is n value? Because square root means 2 only in n value. Square root means what? N value is 2 only in here. So the denominator will be what? N into y power n minus 1 minus 1. So n value 2. So 2 into y power 2 minus 1. Nothing but 2y minus 1 as it is. Okay. Next here, what is f of x? E power x. Then e power x derivative is e power x. That is in the numerator. And here, what is the root? Cubed root. That means n value is how much? 3. So n into y power n minus 1. That is 3 into y power 3 minus 1 is how much? 3 into y square. This minus 1 as it is. Next here, in third problem, what is n value? 4. And what is f of x value? X cube. So the derivative of x cube is 3x square. That is in the numerator. N value 4. Then denominator should be what? N into y power n minus 1 minus 1. N value 4. If you substitute n value 4, what you will get? 4 into y power 4 minus 1. Nothing but 4 into y cube minus 1 as it is. So this is the trick. Okay. So look at the next trick. If square root of a power 2n minus x power 2n plus square root of a power 2n minus y power 2n is equal to some constant k into x power n minus y power n, then dy by dx or y dash is equal to what? X by y whole power n minus 1 into square root of a power 2n minus y power 2n divided by a power 2n minus x power 2n. This is the shortcut. But for this question, the method is you have to put x power n is equal to a power n into sin alpha and y power n is equal to a power n into sin beta. So this is the original method. So by putting this, you will get final answer is this. Okay. So now in the first question, what is n value? So n value is 1 only. The first question n value is 1. Then n minus 1 value is 0. Then x by y whole power 0 is 1. But so that means this part becomes 1. So only what is left? Square root of a power 2n means a power 2 minus y power 2 divided by a square minus x square. So this is the previous year's KCET problem and this is the previous year JEE problem. Okay. Here what is n value? 3. Here in second problem what is n value? 3. So using above shortcut formula, what you will get? X by y whole power n minus 1. N minus 1 is 3 minus 1, how much? 2. Into square root of a power 6 minus y power 6, correct? A power 2n minus y power 2n. Okay, divided by a power 6 minus x power 6. So that was the answer. So with this, I'm going to close this session. I hope you understand these short tricks. So practice these tricks so that you can able to solve any kind of differentiation problem within 5 seconds, maximum 5 seconds. Okay, if you like this video, share this video to your friends and ask them subscribe my channel to get more number of videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.